Cooking AMA class. In today's Cooking AMA class, students learn to decorate Halloween cookies with different coloured icing. Using piping bags filled with vibrant icing sugar, they focus on precision and creativity to make spooky designs. Each student carefully applied their skills, creating colourful and festive treats, a delicious way to celebrate Halloween.
What is your name?
My name is Victor.
Again?
My name is Victor.
Victor. Victor, what kind of... I've just washed my hands. So we've got a pumpkin one, another witch one, a different pumpkin, we've got a gravestone. There's the other box going to the house. There's another pumpkin type. Okay. Here's your plate. Take the one you want. Yeah. Okay. Well done. Your plate.
Thank you.
Pass it over there. Take the cookie that you would like to decorate. You want that one, a witch?
No, it's a pumpkin wish.
Pumpkin witch, yeah. Take the cookie you'd like to decorate. Okay, well done. Right. So I'll just quickly show you. I don't know if you can see. Come down, I'll come down there. So I'll do black. You are older, so you should be able to do it. So what I want you to do, look, like a liquid, okay? Go very slowly, don't squeeze because it's very runny, and just slowly. I'm not squeezing. It's just coming out. I'm not squeezing it. Stop slowly, very slowly. Yeah, it's not easy. You can do it.
I'm scared.
Scared? Don't be scared. Go around the outside like I just did, so you can fill in. Up to you. Your design. Don't worry. We'll try and put it on the cookie. We've got other colours. Do you want different colours? You can.
I think I'm going to start with that.
Just go slowly. You don't need to squeeze. It's like pouring slowly. Don't squeeze. Go slowly. No, not that slow. A bit quicker. No, not that quick. Slow, 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 slow. Inside, that's it. You got it. Oh, nearly. On the biscuit, on the cookie if you can. Oh, you got it. On the cookie, on, not over. You got it. Go on, round, round, round.
I haven't washed my
Good job. Oh, slowly.
I haven't washed my hands.
You're not touching anything, are you? Don't worry. Good job. Well done. Anybody else want white? White? Yes or no? No? Slowly, slowly, cha-cha. It's not a race. Okay, good job. Do you want... Ah, good job.
W shape.
Yeah.